The Steripath Gen 2 blood culture collection system reduces false positive blood cultures by diverting and sequestering the initial 1.5 to 2.0 milliliters of blood, preventing skin contaminants, when present, from entering blood culture bottles. The following video tutorial demonstrates proper use of Steripath Gen 2 used with a peripheral IV start. Collect the necessary supplies, including Steripath in the Luer configuration. Perform skin surface antisepsis according to your institution's established guidelines. While skin antisepsis is air drying, prepare bottles for sample collection by placing a visible mark above the broth corresponding to the amount of blood that will need to be collected. Be sure the bottle is level prior to measuring. Thoroughly disinfect each bottle top with an alcohol prep pad. Scrub for 15 seconds. Let air dry and leave a new pad on top of the bottle. Open Steripath, keeping the device on sterile package to prevent contamination. Ensure site is completely dry. Insert IV catheter and secure site. After connecting Steripath to IV catheter, squeeze the device with slow and steady pressure to actuate. Once near the check mark, firmly squeeze Steripath until it clicks to lock in potential contaminants. The diversion chamber should be full, with only a small air bubble visible. Using the integrated transfer adapter, inoculate blood culture bottle according to institution guidelines while holding bottle level. Fill each bottle to visible mark. Visible foam is not considered part of sample volume. Gently agitate the bottle several times to prevent clotting. Follow the same procedure for inoculation of second bottle. Gently agitate the bottle several times to prevent clotting. Inoculate any additional samples for blood work. Dispose of supplies according to institution policy.